So welcome to the another video of the channel. So today we will discuss how you can start your own notebook business with almost zero money. So this channel is all about KDP business, but if you want to know and if you want to learn about trading, do let me know in the comments. I am trading from last 1.5 year. I have a very high accuracy of 90 to 95%. Do let me know in the comments if you want to learn trading. So let's back to the topic. So today's topic is how to start your own notebook business. So why I am saying notebook business, why I am not saying low content and no content business? Because if you are someone who is new and doing everything single-handedly, you can't make a lot of activity, coloring and other type of LCBs. What is LCB? So first of all, this video is all about how you can start a notebook business. This video is only for beginners. If you are someone who is doing this business from a quite of time, so please skip this video. This video is not for you. So what is LCB? There are two types of book. First is LCB, second is NCB, and third is HCB. Let's change the color to red. So what is LCB? LCB means your book which has low content. The full form of LCB is low content book. Your LCB means your book having a low content, like it has some activity book, like there is an pictures and you have to find difference between two pictures. This is called an activity book, and there are other types of activity book too, like Sudoku, puzzle. They are all type of activity book. Coloring book is a type of a low content book, LCB. And what is NCB? No content book. No content book means your book doesn't have any content, almost zero content. What is it? It's a line journal, blank line, half blank line journal. This is journal. This is your journal. This is half line journal and half dotted line journal. Sketch paper, not having anything on the exam, doesn't having anything on the paper, just having numbers like 1 or 2, because you cannot publish a blank page in Amazon. That's why you have to put some numbers. It's like 1 2 3. It's 100 pages. It's 100. So this is what NCB is. And what is HCB? HCB is a high content book. You can call it novel. Let's suppose William Shakespeare novels, Romeo and Juliet. It's a high content book. This is an example of high content book. So we don't have to focus on high content book. We have to only focus on low content and no content books. We have to make our business in around LCB and NCB, because SCB is very high in production. It will cost you a very high amount of money. So that's why we skip HCB. But if you make money from these two, then I will highly recommend you to invest in HCB. And how you can start your LCB business? Just upload some. If you are someone new, just upload some line journal, sketchbooks, little dotted line book. This is NCB. Sorry, this is NCB, no content book. So please upload no content books and try to run ads. So while you are saying it's a very high competition in notebook, so why we will run ad? You will run ad to learn. When you are starting this business, you will initially lose money. Not gonna make too much money. Because why? Because you are learning. If you are learning, you will lose money. Just take it as a fee, because you are learning something and you have to pay an amount. If you are going to a tuition in a school, you have to pay a little amount and you will learn things. So just take it same as your school and tuitions. So if you are learning something, you will have to take a little loss, or I will call it a tuition fee or a school fee, and you are learning something. You are never lose. Otherwise you will learn, or otherwise you will win. You are not gonna lose anything. So I hope you get my point. So how you can start your own online notebook selling business? Just create quality. The time has come when NCB is gonna blank. You are not gonna make money with NCB because there's a lot of competition, a lot of people is coming in this business and uploading a lot of NCB books, and it's almost become saturated because you have to upload a lot of lot of books, and you have to run a lot of ads. You have to spend a lot of money on your ads because the CPC becoming very high because of lot of competition. So you have to focus on only LCB and find your niche and make 10 books a week or 10 books a month, whatever is suitable for you. Just make 10 books a month and try to run ads on them, and eventually you will see you will have a catalog of 100 books in a year, and bang, you have your online book selling business. So this is what I am saying about. So focus on LCB and try to treat it as a business. It's not a hobby, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a legit business. So do and make your LCBs, run ads, and do your niche research, keyword research. Make your cover nice. Let's suppose you made a cover. If a customer coming on your cover, customer will come because there is a lot of books on the bookshelf, on the Amazon search page. So they will not gonna come and see your books if it's visible or not. If your title, and subtitle you are written on your book cover, it will not gonna visible. Then it will not, if it's on a very small font, they are not gonna come and see and zooming it on the book. They are not gonna do that. So take in mind your title and subtitle are easily visible. Write it in a little big font. So this is it. This is how you can run your online notebook business. It's a legit business. You will gonna do it for decades. So I hope you get on my point. This is it. So thanks for watching. If you're someone who is new, subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any question, comment down. And thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.